Welcome back to English Podcast Zone, everyone. Today, we're having a long, natural conversation about transportation. Remember, this podcast is for learning English, so we'll include many example sentences you can repeat.
Exactly. When you hear us say example sentence, just repeat it out loud. It will help your pronunciation and fluency. So, Sophia, how do you usually get around your city?
I usually take the bus or walk. Bus travel is convenient for me. Example sentence, I take the bus because it's cheap and easy. Repeat, I take the bus because it's cheap and easy.
Nice. I usually drive my car. My commute is a bit long, so a car is easier. Example sentence, I drive to work because the distance is too far to walk. Repeat, I drive to work because the distance is too far to walk.
Makes sense, but Omar, I think more people are starting to use bicycles nowadays.
True. Bikes are becoming more popular. Example sentence, riding a bicycle is good for health and the environment. Repeat, I riding a bicycle is good for health and the environment.
Some cities even have bike sharing systems. You just scan a code, take a bike, and go.
Exactly. Example sentence, bike sharing makes transportation more flexible. Repeat, I bike sharing makes transportation more flexible.
Talking about new transportation, what do you think about electric cars?
I think electric cars are the future. They produce zero emissions. Example sentence, electric cars reduce air pollution. Repeat, I electric cars reduce air pollution.
I agree, and charging stations are becoming more common.
Yes. Example sentence, charging my electric car is cheaper than buying gasoline. Repeat, I charging my electric car is cheaper than buying gasoline.
Would you switch to an electric car someday?
Absolutely. I would love to. They're quiet, smooth, and efficient. Example sentence, I want to buy an electric car in the future. Repeat, I want to buy an electric car in the future.
I'm thinking about it too, but I'm also interested in autonomous cars, self-driving cars.
Yes, autonomous vehicles are fascinating. Example sentence, self-driving cars can operate without human control. Repeat, I self-driving cars can operate without human control.
Would you trust one?
Maybe for a short ride. Example sentence, I would try a self-driving car for a short distance. Repeat, I would try a self-driving car for a short distance.
I feel the same. I want to trust the technology, but I need time.
Same here. But think about the benefits. Fewer accidents, better traffic flow, less stress.
Exactly, and people who can't drive, like the elderly, would finally have more independence.
Good point. Example sentence, autonomous vehicles can help people who cannot drive. Repeat, I autonomous vehicles can help people who cannot drive.
Speaking of independence, I love trains. They give a sense of freedom.
Oh, me too. Especially high-speed trains. They're so fast and smooth. Example sentence, high-speed trains are comfortable and efficient. Repeat, I high-speed trains are comfortable and efficient.
Have you ever taken a really fast one?
Yes, in Japan. It was amazing. Example sentence, the train traveled at more than 300 kilometers per hour. Repeat, the train traveled at more than 300 kilometers per hour.
Wow, I want to try that someday. Trains are one of the best forms of transportation, especially for long distances.
Absolutely. Example sentence, trains are a relaxing way to travel. Repeat, Trains are a relaxing way to travel.
Planes are fast too, of course, but the airport process is stressful.
Tell me about it. Checking in, security lines, waiting. It takes forever.
Still, flying is important for international travel.
Definitely. Example sentence. Air travel connects people around the world. Repeat. Air travel connects people around the world.
Do you think electric airplanes will become common?
Maybe in the future, they're still developing the technology. Example sentence. Electric planes may make flying more eco-friendly. Repeat. Electric planes may make flying more eco-friendly.
How about air taxis? Those little flying vehicles for short trips.
Honestly, they sound cool, but also a bit scary.
I know what you mean, but imagine avoiding traffic by flying over it.
That would be amazing. Example sentence. Air taxis could reduce traffic in crowded cities. Repeat. Air taxis could reduce traffic in crowded cities.
Speaking of crowded cities, some places are trying to reduce car usage.
Yes, they want more walking, biking, and public transport.
I like that idea. Cities feel cleaner and calmer.
Exactly. Example sentence. Public transport helps reduce traffic jams. Repeat. Public transport helps reduce traffic jams.
What's your favorite method of public transportation?
I'd say the train. It's fast, predictable, and comfortable.
Same here. Buses are fine, but trains feel better.
Here's a useful example. I prefer trains because they are more reliable. Repeat. I prefer trains because they are more reliable.
Good sentence. Let's give listeners a few more to practice.
Sure. Example sentence. I take public transport to save money. Repeat. I take public transport to save money.
Example sentence. Walking is healthy and environmentally friendly. Repeat. Walking is healthy and environmentally friendly.
Example sentence. Traffic is heavy during rush hour. Repeat. Traffic is heavy during rush hour.
Example sentence. I like traveling because it helps me learn about new cultures. Repeat. I like traveling because it helps me learn about new cultures.
Nice one. Sophia, what do you think transportation will look like in 20 or 30 years?
I think we'll see more electric buses, more self-driving cars, and fewer privately owned vehicles.
I agree. People might not own cars anymore. They might just call a driverless taxi.
Exactly. Example sentence. In the future, people may use shared vehicles instead of owning cars. Repeat. In the future, people may use shared vehicles instead of owning cars.
Imagine cities with quiet electric buses, bike highways, and smart traffic systems.
That would be amazing. Cleaner air, less noise, more space for parks.
Yeah. Example sentence. Sustainable transportation protects the planet. Repeat. Sustainable transportation protects the planet.
I love that. And I hope our listeners feel inspired to think about their transportation choices.
And I hope they learned some new English words today.
Me too. Thank you for staying with us for this long conversation.
This has been English Podcast Zone.
Keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep improving your English.
See you next time.